Hi friends, welcome to World Explorer. Today we are making Kolhapuri misal pav. For this we are taking garam masala, sesame seeds or til, jeera or cumin, coconut powder, black pepper and cloves. At first we are taking all of these items into the pan and frying them. Fry all these ingredients properly so that it will make the Kolhapuri masala. Now we have fried all these ingredients. Now we are going to take into a mixer and mixing it in a grinder. Kolhapuri masala is ready. Now we are keeping this aside and take a pan. In that add some oil and then add some mustard, cumin, turmeric, hing, red chili powder, peanuts, green chili and Kolhapuri masala. And now all of these items fry. Cover with the lid and cook for 1-2 minutes. Let them fry deep and then we are going to add the sprouts into this. Now add the sprouts into this. These green pea sprouts are very nutritious and having high protein content. So this is very good for health. Now we are frying these sprouts. Now we add water into this and cook till they are boiled. Cover it with the lid and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the tamarind water and keep aside. Once this mixture is ready, once it is boiled, then we are going to add this tamarind water into that. To prepare this, only thing we need is tamarind and water. Take the tamarind, add into the water and soak in water for 2 to 3 minutes or 10-15 minutes as you wish, and then take out the pulp. Then this prepares the coconut tamarind water. Now we are going to add this tamarind water. Now this is boiled already. Now we are going to add this tamarind water into this. Now this is boiled. Keep this aside. Then we are taking another pan and we are continuing our recipe. Next step is fry the items: onion, jeera, cloves, asafoetida or hing, cinnamon stick, ginger and coconut powder. Take all this into a fry pan and we are going to fry all of these items till the onion becomes golden brown. You can see onions are fried. Now we are going to add tomatoes, red chili powder and then Kolhapuri masala. We are going to mix all of these ingredients and ensure that tomatoes become soft and heat it uniformly in a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is ready. Now we are going to take this into a grinder and again mixing this in the grinder into a fine paste. Now you can see the paste is ready. Now we are going to take this paste and keep it aside. Next step is take the paste into the fry pan, add some oil and turmeric and salt. Now we are going to add the sprouts which we boiled earlier into this and we are going to make them boil for 2 to 3 minutes. cover with the lid and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Some coriander powder, coriander leaves, and then boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is ready. Now take the beans into the bowl and then add some rasa to this, that is gravy. Some namkeen mixture on the top of this, and then add some onions, then add some coriander powder, coriander leaves. Now misal pav is ready, and for this we are taking with a bun or pav, and then on the side we are giving lemon. Once we add the lemon to this, and it brings a very good taste. Add the lemon to this misal, and then eat along with this bread. This is a perfect Maharashtrian dish, and it is called Kolhapuri misal pav. If you like my channel, subscribe, comment and share to your friends and family members. Thank you.